Hello everyone, I'm Brandon, a local realtor and downsizing expert with the Brandon Grass team at eXp Realty. My team and I are here to lend a hand as you begin to navigate the process of downsizing your home. This podcast series was created for home sellers just like you. Are you thinking of downsizing but are unsure how to financially make that transition from your current home to your next one? For several of our sellers who are thinking about downsizing, this is their biggest concern when they first start talking with us. Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm a Kelowna area realtor and certified senior real estate specialist with eXp Realty. Many sellers who are thinking about downsizing in the Okanagan have most of their money tied up in their current home. They typically either have a tiny mortgage or no mortgage at all. And if they are looking to buy another home, a lot of times their biggest concern is how to financially manage that transition from their current home to the next one. One way to make this transition would be just the traditional route of getting a mortgage for the new home. However, if you're retired and on a fixed income, you may not have the down payment or enough cash or earn enough money income to qualify. Fortunately, there are other financing options available. So a great option for sellers with a lot of equity in their current home would be to use a bridge loan. We've always felt that this loan was perfect for sellers who are looking to downsize. There is very little upfront costs for the loan, but the big advantages is that no payments are due for 6 months. Now, there are a few costs associated with this that shouldn't cost more than $1,500, give or take, and you will pay a little bit higher interest rate on the money you're borrowing, usually at 2 to 3, maybe 4% above the posted bank rate. Once you have the bridge loan, you can then take those funds and purchase a new home or condo. Overall, it is a pretty easy process from start to finish. It's not like a typical mortgage application. The lender doesn't care about your credit score as much or your income and your ability to pay. The loan is based on your home and the equity in it. It's a great tool for sellers who have most of their money tied up in their current home. Here are a few tips when it comes to planning and the processes involved in securing a bridge loan. Number one is timing. When you want to buy a new property but haven't closed and received the funds from the sale of your current one, a bridge loan can provide the necessary funds to complete the purchase. It allows you to avoid delays or missed opportunities on that perfect home you must have. Number two is loan amount. The bridge loan amount is based on the equity in your current property. Lenders usually offer bridge loans up to a certain percentage of the property's value. Typically, this is around 80% of your loan to value ratio. Interest and fees. Bridge loans generally have higher interest rates compared to traditional mortgages due to their short-term nature. There may also be fees involved, such as an application fee or administration fee, and it's important to carefully review the terms and conditions to understand the total cost of borrowing. Next up is repayment. Bridge loans are usually repaid within a short period, typically 6 to 12 months. The loan can be repaid in full when the existing property is completed and you have received your money, or you may have the option to convert it into a long-term mortgage if required. Lender requirements. Lenders offering bridge loans will consider factors such as your creditworthiness, income, and the value of the properties involved. They may also require an appraisal of the properties to determine their market value, and that might be your own property you got sold and the property you're potentially buying, or one or the other. It's important to consult with a mortgage professional or financial advisor to understand the specific details and requirements of bridge loans in British Columbia, as they can vary among lenders and based on individual circumstances. If you would like more detailed information on bridge loans and the process of navigating from selling one home to buying another, give me a call at 250-212-5672. I work closely with a few chosen mortgage brokers that are phenomenal to work with, and I would be happy to make an introduction for you. If you or someone you love is considering downsizing their home and exploring options, be sure to check out our complete guide to downsizing in the Kelowna area on our website by visiting us at brandongrass.com. As a certified senior real estate specialist and downsizing expert, I have the resources and network of professionals to connect you with the best team of downsizing experts in the Okanagan region. From real estate lawyers to estate lawyers, auctioneers, cleaners, packers, stagers, organizers, and movers, and everything you require. Request your zero obligation, no pressure downsizing consultation with me today by giving me a call at 250-212-5672 or by sending me a confidential email to brandon@brandongrass.com. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you and hearing about your downsizing goals.